Hello everyone, I am Aditya Prajapati and here I am going to teach you the phrases of go. And if you are unaware about the challenge which I have started for you guys, so I am going to give you an overlook of that phrases challenge, that is about 30 days phrases English challenge. Here I am teaching you guys, I will teach you 300 different phrases of the different meanings. Every day you guys have to learn these phrases so that you guys can use these phrases in your day-to-day life conversation. These are very essential, these are very usable. This is what I am teaching you guys and this is the reality. I am not joking here. If you are guys taking it serious, if you are just following this process with me, if you are just dedicated towards spoken English, if you are learning every day the phrases, so you are going to learn this language very soon. There is no one who can stop you to learn this language. There is no one who can stop you to speak this language in a very good manner. So guys, without any further delay, let's get started. Before diving into the video, I want to give little bit introduction of myself, guys. My name is Aditya Prajapati and I have completed all my education so far in Hindi medium background, and guys, I have learned this language by myself by using YouTube. Only YouTube was very helpful for me. By using YouTube I learned this language. This is the fact, this is the reality. YouTube is such a very good platform. If you are using it in a very good manner, you guys are going to learn very much. So guys, let's come to the point. So guys, phrase number 1, go by. Go by means होता है गुजरना, यानी कि टाइम का गुजरना, समय का गुजरना. एग्जाम्पल्स लेते हैं, हम बोलते नहीं है कि समय गुजर गया. तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल्स आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू 2 examples. Example number 1, as the years go by, as the time go by, I realized that the health is wealth. जैसे जैसे टाइम गुजरा मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि स्वास्थ्य ही धन है. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2, as the time went by, her confidence grew. जैसे जैसे समय गुजरा उसका जो कॉन्फिडेंस है, आत्मविश्वास ग्रो किया, यानी कि आत्मविश्वास बढ़ता गया. जैसे जैसे टाइम गुजरा उसका आत्मविश्वास बढ़ता गया. सो दिस वर 2 examples. दिस इज हाउ यू गाइज हैव टू मेक एग्जाम्पल्स सो दैट यू गाइज कैन यूज इन योर एवरीडे लाइफ. सो गाइज, फ्रेज नंबर 2, दैट इज गो डाउन. गो डाउन मीन्स होता है डूबना. So examples लेते हैं. We are going to take 2 examples here. Example number 1, that is the Titanic ship went down in the ocean. जो Titanic ship था ना वो समुद्र के अंदर डूब गया था ना. Example number 2, the prices of the goods are going down day by day. जो वस्तुओं के प्राइस है ना वो दिन पर दिन कम हो रहे हैं. Okay. Guys, phrase number 3, that is go with. Go with means होता है सहमत होना, किसी से सहमत होना. So examples लेते हैं, जैसे कि for example, example number 1, I will go with Rahul. मैं राहुल से सहमत हूँ, मैं राहुल के साथ सहमत हूँ. Example number 2, I will go with the government in this decision. मैं गवर्नमेंट से इस डिसीजन के बारे में, गवर्नमेंट से सहमत हूँ. जो गवर्नमेंट ने अभी डिसीजन लिया मैं सहमत हूँ उस डिसीजन से. So these were 2 examples. So guys, phrase number 4, that is go for. Go for means होता है चुनना. तो यानी कि चुनना वो वाला जो चूज करने वाला होता है ना, to choose. So go for means to choose. So examples, we are going to take 2 examples here. Example number 1, that is I will go for the ice cream rather than taking chocolate because I don't like chocolate. मैं चॉकलेट लेने की बजाय आइसक्रीम लेना पसंद करूंगा क्योंकि मुझे चॉकलेट पसंद नहीं है. Okay. Example number 2, I will go for Rahul. Like we are going to play some games, so we just say कि मैं राहुल को लेना अपने साइड राहुल को लेना पसंद करूँ. So we can use like this. I would like to go for Rahul. Okay. So these were 2 examples. These were very common examples that we use in our everyday life in Hindi. So from today you don't have to use these kinds of sentences in Hindi language. You just have to try to speak in English language. This is how you guys will be able to speak good English with the practice, with the long practice. Okay. Number 5 that is go plus color, यानी कि go के साथ में यदि हम कोई कलर लगा देते हैं तो उस रंग का हो जाना. जैसे कि एग्जाम्पल है, वी आर गोइंग टू टेक 2 एग्जाम्पल्स. इट विल गो रेड, ये लाल हो जाएगा. इट विल गो ब्लैक, ये काला हो जाएगा. तो ये एग्जाम्पल्स हैं. तो गाइस फ्रेज नंबर 6 दैट इज गो प्लस आईएनजी फॉर्म प्लस टू, यानी कि करने जा रहा, कोई काम करने जा रहा. जैसे कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू 2 एग्जाम्पल्स हियर. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 1, आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू, मैं आपको पढ़ाने जा रहा हूँ. जैसे कि आर यू गोइंग टू लर्न दिस लैंग्वेज विद मी, क्या आप लोग मेरे साथ इस लैंग्वेज को लर्न करने जा रहे हैं. So these were very common examples that I have given here. So this was the phrase number 6 and okay. And guys, phrase number 7 that is go off. Go off means होता है भाग जाना. For examples, where I am going to give you 2 examples here. Example number 1, the power has gone off. जो लाइट होती है ना, जब हम बोलते हैं कि लाइट चली गई, so we can use the power has gone off. Okay. यानी कि लाइट चली गई. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2 दैट इज सी वेंट ऑफ. सी वेंट ऑफ इन द मिडिल ऑफ द मीटिंग. जो मीटिंग सभा चल रही थी ना, उसके बीच में ही चली गई, वो मीटिंग के बीच से ही चली गई. ओके, दिस वाज द फ्रेज नंबर 7. Okay guys, so phrase number 8 that is go off. Go off means होता है बढ़ना. For examples, example number 1, the prices are going up day by day. The जो prices है ना, रेट बढ़ रहे हैं दिन पर दिन. Okay. Example number 2, the temperature is going up day by day. जो temperature है ना, तापमान प्रतिदिन बढ़ रहा है. So these were 2 examples of the phrase go up. Okay. And guys, the phrase number 9 is go through. Go through means होता है पूरा करना. So I'm going to give you 2 examples. Example number 1, I will go through the work. I will go through the work I will go through the work till the evening, come what may. कुछ भी हो जाए, मैं शाम तक अपने कार्य को पूरा करूंगा. Example number 2, she went through many difficulties while learning English. उसने बहुत सारी डिफिकल्टीज को फेस किया इंग्लिश लर्न करते समय. So guys, the final one, last but not the least, that is I mean go mad. Go mad means होता है पागल होना. So यानी कि पागल हो जाना. So I'm going to give you 2 examples. These are very basic examples I am going to give you here. That is example number 1, he has gone mad. Have you gone mad? क्या तुम पागल हो गए हो. जैसे कि हम बोलते नहीं कि कुछ भी अगर तुम बोल देते हो तो हम बोलते हैं कि क्या तुम पागल हो गए. आर यू इन सेंस? हैव यू गॉन मैड? So these were 2 examples of the phrase go mad. So here guys, I have taught you the 10 different phrases of the meaning go, and if you are adding some prepositions with the meaning of go, so it is making different meaning each time, and I have taught you here. And now it is up to you. I have done my works. Now it is up to you. How are you taking it? If you are serious enough towards learning English, if you want to speak very good English, so you will definitely learn with me. If you will definitely follow this challenge, you will definitely be dedicated towards learning this language. You are learning seriously if you are watching my videos till the end. Okay, so if you like the video, please like and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can never miss my videos, and share to all your friends who are very close to you so that they can also watch my videos. And please comment on my videos, how am I making and on what topic do I have to make videos. I will try to make. Okay, so have a good day. Bye bye. We will meet in another video of the 30 days phrases English challenge and or in another types of videos. Okay, bye bye.